Large-capacity digital countertop oven has 50% more capacity than a leading competitor, compared to Breville Mini Smart Oven BOV450XL. 9 preset cooking functions: bake, broil, toast, warm, reheat, bagel, pizza, cookies, roast and frozen. Easy-to-read digital display for at-a-glance updates on cooking progress. Non-stick interior allows you to quickly and easily clean up any spills. Includes countertop oven, 9x13 in baking pan with grill rack, removable metal drip and crumb tray, removable metal rack. Streamlined profile and chrome knobs add style to your countertop. Get the same possibilities as a full-size oven, with quality results, in a convenient countertop size. KitchenAid brand brings full-size oven expertise to this digital countertop oven that fits more than you think. It includes a 9x13 in baking pan and has 50% more capacity than a leading competitor compared to Breville Mini Smart Oven BOV450XL. In addition, this digital countertop oven has 9 preset cooking functions plus frozen option, for everything from roasting, to broiling and baking. The easy-to-read digital display that gives you at-a-glance updates on cooking progress. And a non-stick interior makes for quick and easy clean every time. Top reviews from the United States. I love my KitchenAid oven. I have many KitchenAid products and appliances in my kitchen and none have ever disappointed me. This oven is no exception, I love it. I wanted to wait to review until I had used it several times. I've made the following: cakes, cookies, cobblers, muffins, sweet potato fries, wings, onion rings, salmon, steaks, and various other items. After a very short learning curve, everything turned out perfectly. I always make sure I've read the directions thoroughly, and for me that makes a difference. Appliances today can be complex, so that is always time well spent. I bought this because I don't like turning on my oven in the summer and thought this would be a perfect alternative, but I imagine I will use this a lot during the winter as well. I highly recommend this oven, and if you love to cook, you'll love it as much as I do.